Bro.
In the
Hi guys. The reason why we haven't posted in 5 years is because we fell into the back rooms. You can tell. So yeah. We lost our original footage of this intro. It was better before, but we lost it.
Who are you?
I'm James.
Who are you?
John.
What? Get in.
This game looks not as high quality.
Insert tape.
Okay, now we're here. Oh, okay.
Two.
But how we see the time on the window?
What's the portal?
Where's
Is
the
this
portal?
a Leaper Company clone?
I think so. I'm shaking.
I found a watermelon.
Today, I wanted to eat a watermelon.
Collect evidence of void entities, end mission, or go deeper.
Hey, I wanted that.
I actually met our goal already. I have $229 worth of stuff.
We have individual goals here. Ah,
There.
I see.
Do we want to get more?
No.
I'm
think
assuming it's
it's
going to go up every day. Okay, whatever. We've met our goal, guys.
That was a really easy goal.
Mwah. 195.
Hello.
So actually, we just want to leave.
Hey. What the hell was that noise?
Just ignore that. Stamina. Oh god, stamina.
For some. Oh, it's dark.
That was mine, guys. A broken bowl, my favorite. I think I have enough.
The color in my room is turning red because my.
I think I have enough.
Behind you! Behind you! Behind you!
Me? I don't have enough.
What the heck?
The color in my stool is turning red because I have money
Are you
left in my.
kidding? Yeah, I sold it again.
I got an
too.
$80 item.
Alright, that's
Oh!
enough. That's enough.
Money!
Okay. Why is there a back wall? That's unrealistic. I'm following you because I'm a real scaredy cat. So
There's a smiler. Like, kind of close to the base. I found a smiler.
Ah! He's near me!
Low.
yeah.
There's so many more than 2! Oh my god!
Yeah, there's like...
Come on there!
Bro, that's creepy.
There's so many of them!
What the hell was that?
I'm fine. I'm just really injured.
What the heck? Oh my god! Oh my god! No! I'm gonna die!
Oh. I brought you back to life.
Bro was trying to tickle my toes.
You hear that?
Yeah.
I don't like this music. It's scaring me. I got a way to stop them.
Bro, what the heck? What the heck?
Oh my god.
Oh, you can come back. Well, we're not really getting camped anymore.
Yeah.
Here, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
I
my god, that spider's
Oh my
tickling my
god. What is
toes!
that thing?
I'm chasing after the spider now. What did I just do?
Oh.
No. Alive? Money.
How did I die?
Run! There's one right there! What are you doing?
Oh no, I can't see anything!
What the?
Bro, why is she the last alive?
My stamina's low. There's nothing really I can do.
That's the hole I fell in. And why did you just run into it? You had a flashlight!
I thought it was. I couldn't see it.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell.
It's like fun, but also like it is just so difficult.
It just gets impossible as if you just wait.
No.
We're only halfway to our goal.
More than halfway, actually.
It's cooked. I'm done. I'm actually done for.
Fine.
I'm dead.
Bro!
I don't. want to finish it.
Bro,
Oh, I fell into a freaking hole that I couldn't see. Also, you know I was not about to solo like $300, so. Yeah.
We escaped the back rooms, guys.
I don't think we escaped
Okay,
the
listen.
back rooms. Stop going in me, bro. I'm gonna punch you in the face when I see you again.
I'll do it.
Okay, guys. On the outside.
I'm eating.
Oh.
I'm starving. I'm starving.
Bro.
Well, swallow your bite, so then we can do the outro. Alright, guys, as you can
Hey,
tell,
guys.
we're not very good, at the back rooms, but we played a little bit, and, yeah.
Make sure to check out both the games
Nope.
that
Yeah,
we played.
They're pretty fun with some friends. They're a little glitchy and a little hard at points, but, you know, if you have some nice company, they can be a lot of fun.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.